This is why I come over here. This is why I make the trip. You see shit like this, like look at this. Tell me that shit not heat. What's up guys? How you guys doing today, man? It's a little ugly out, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't really like going outside when it's raining or when it rains, just because I don't know, it's like a different kind of smell to everything. And I don't know, I be mad lazy when it's like this, because I don't want to do nothing. I know I've told you guys about that little noise that my car got, which comes from in here somewhere, which like I said in the last video, if you guys didn't see it, it's like the little clip that holds the brake cables or something like that, brake lines cables. And so today I'm about to pull up to the shop and see if I can get them to fix that today. I got the little clip in the back ready to go. My car, honestly guys, I don't really take it to the shop unless I absolutely have to. I don't go to any like regular shops. I'm all the way in Queens right now from Yonkers. So hopefully I can get some work done in the V today real quick. It's nothing that should take too long. It's just a matter of how many people does he have right now or how many cars he's working on, type thing. So I mean, I should have came earlier, like 12, because that's when he opens, but it's 1 right now. Hopefully there's not too many people just because of the day, the kind of day it is, and hopefully you don't got a lot of work so we can sneak my car in. But yeah, hopefully we can get that thing done today. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, show you guys the process a little bit and go from there. So man, Queens be having mad potholes, bro, especially under the trains, bro. Trains be having all those potholes. I think the city decided to leave it like that so that nobody speeds. Today's my day off from work, so I say, you know what, let me go do that. There's a couple things I want to change. Like, I want to start hitting the gym. So today's Monday and it's pretty much the first day of a new week. So today I'm gonna start going to the gym every day and go from there. So start trying to make some gains, man. The summer's coming soon, couple months, so it gives me some time to get right, and that's what we're gonna do. So no more sleeping too late. So let's go see what's up over here. I'm pulling up right now, guys. Damn, mad cars here, bro. And we here, straight BMWs out here. Let me double park my shit, see what he says. Yo, what's good, bro? What's good? Chilling? Now, remember I was talking to you on Instagram about the little clip for the brake line?
Right.
We got you.
I got one car ahead of you now.
Alright, bet. Look at this shit, guys. My son got it all right here. Whatever y'all need. We got it all. Look at this. Well, there's just straight BMWs here, but this is why I come over here. This is why I make the trip. You see shit like this, like look at this. Tell me that shit not heat. And these are all his cars, bro. Look at the steering wheel on that. Look at the steering wheel. You can't really see it, bro. But he got it all, bro. Straight Beamers, gang. This whole parking spots is all about BMers. And he only got 1 car ahead of me, so we should be good. Another one. Tell me I don't have a sexy ass car. I'll wait. Look how she's sitting right now. Sitting pretty, but dirty. Thank God the camera does justice, and yet I really can't see it. But he got 1 car ahead of me, so let me back up the V, so that when he's done with the other car, it's our turn, boys. Yeah. All right, guys, it's our turn now. And then every time I be steering a little bit to the right, I hear like a little vibration from this side. You don't have any idea what that could be? It started after I hit like a curb one time from that side. Oh, from this side. I don't know if, because I've looked it up in online. I'm like, some people say it's like it could be like a wheel bearing, or it could be like a control arm, or one of the bushings or something like that. But I only feel it when I'm like going fast. So, and then I try to like switch lanes, you hear it a little bit. Yeah, I haven't been on this car in man long. All right, you guys, so I just left the shop right now. We were able to do it. It was a pain in the ass, bro. I know my boy was having problems, so I gave him some extra money, just for, you know, because he did his thing. So yeah, so now hopefully I don't hear that freaking noise for a while. What I'll do, I'll probably grab some zip tie and like tie them to something else so they really don't move, because I don't want it to break anymore. But so far it hasn't made it at all, so I think we got that problem fixed. But it should be good now. I'll try it a little bit. Let me. Oh yeah, thank God, bro. You guys don't even know how annoying it was to hear that noise all the time, bro. Like all the time. That shit's so annoying to hear. But that's pretty much it, man. Hopefully we don't hear that for a while. The next thing I gotta do is one of my bushings is leaking. I'm assuming it's from, I don't know what, but it's leaking, so I gotta change it. But good thing they're not expensive, so I should be able to do that myself from the comfort of my home. So it should be good. I can't forget to get some electrical tape, because I gotta put some electrical tape on one of the wires that it looks like is ripping a little bit. So one of my brake lines sensors. So yeah, man, other than that we should be good. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video though. Like I said, this was more so for like, if you guys ever run into this issue where you hear a little noise coming from the like it's from here but it's from the bottom of the car, it is that little clip. If you guys have that problem and didn't know what it was, hopefully I helped you out and figuring that out. But again, guys, thank you guys so much for, you know, watching the videos, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Much love to y'all. Be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.